everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete your Friendster account. So to start, open Friendster app. Next, go to your profile at the bottom right. Now in here, what you need to do is to click the gear icon at the top right, which is your settings. Now once you're on settings, what you need to do is go to account and tap on delete account. You also have the option to log out. So if you don't want to delete your account and you want to log out instead, just click on log out. Now, if you want to delete your account, just click delete account again. And in here, so it will say deleting your account permanently removes your profile and content from Friendster. So in here, go to confirm and type delete, then click delete account. So wait for it, and your Friendster account will be deleted. And that's basically it. Very, very easy. So again, you just need to go to your profile icon at the bottom right and go to settings and tap on delete account. Then just type delete and confirm the action, and that's basically it. If you want to delete the app, so just close the app and press and hold it and tap on delete app and confirm the action, and the app is now deleted. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.